Yekaterinburg, often referred to as the gateway to the Urals, is a dynamic and culturally rich city located in the heart of Russia. With a fascinating blend of history, modernity, and natural beauty, Yekaterinburg offers a plethora of activities and attractions for tourists to explore. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Church on the Blood, built on the site where the last Russian Tsar, Nicholas II, and his family were executed. This historic site serves as a poignant reminder of Russia's turbulent past and is an essential stop for history enthusiasts. Nearby, the Ipatiev House Museum offers further insights into the Romanov dynasty's tragic end. Yekaterinburg's cultural scene is vibrant and diverse. The Ural Federal University, founded in 1920, is not only a center of learning but also a stunning architectural gem. The Ural Opera and Ballet Theater is another cultural highlight, showcasing world-class performances in a beautiful setting. For those seeking to immerse themselves in the city's artistic side, the Yekaterinburg Museum of Fine Arts boasts an impressive collection of Russian and European artworks. The Ural State Circus is a family-friendly attraction that guarantees an entertaining evening with acrobats, clowns, and exotic animals. Nature enthusiasts will find plenty to do in and around Yekaterinburg. The city is surrounded by the picturesque Ural Mountains, offering opportunities for hiking, skiing, and outdoor adventures. Lake Shartash and Lake Tavatui provide scenic spots for picnics and water activities during the summer months. Yekaterinburg is also a city of architectural wonders. The Yeltsin Center, dedicated to Russia's first president, Boris Yeltsin, is a striking modern structure that houses a museum, library, and event spaces. The Vysotsky skyscraper is a soaring tower with an observation deck that provides panoramic views of the city. For those interested in the country's industrial history, a visit to the Ural Transport Museum is a must. It showcases the region's industrial heritage and the pivotal role it played in the development of Russia. Food lovers will relish the chance to explore Yekaterinburg's culinary scene. The city offers a wide range of dining options, from traditional Russian cuisine to international flavors. Don't miss the opportunity to try local specialties like pelmeni, dumplings, and borscht, soup. Yekaterinburg also serves as a starting point for exploring the Urals and beyond. The Trans-Siberian Railway, one of the world's most famous train journeys, begins here, making it possible to embark on an epic adventure across Russia. In conclusion, Yekaterinburg is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends its rich history, vibrant culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're interested in history, the arts, outdoor activities, or simply experiencing the unique charm of a Russian city, Yekaterinburg has something to offer every traveler. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey to this enchanting city that captures the essence of Russia's past and present.